name is Julie Bang, and I want to thank Hmong Women's Heritage for definitely bringing me out here. Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing, and I'm so happy that you guys are continuing and forwarding and just doing this, because I remember when I was a little girl, I always wanted to join. And I think I still can, right? I can still join? Okay, so this first song is a cover song. I heard it way back, and then I heard it again, and I said, hey, I gotta do a cover of it. So it's called Gojira by Truth Cure, I think, or True Sir. Yeah, he's a pretty awesome artist, so check it out. Hope you guitar is not here today because he's working, so enjoy the